This little these flowers, they are belonging to one of the ginger family member. Uh, it's called Globba, Globba, and it's one of the absolutely stunning flowers, and it's a native of our India. And this is one amazing plant that I have never seen in any garden or anywhere. Very nice plant, but it has got appreciation in other countries. And I saw one or two videos and photographs from USA and Singapore and all. This Globba is quite a big family, not much studied, and quite a few variations are there all over Western Ghats. And this is the first one that I have encountered in my career. After wandering for years together, finally discovered it on a city pavement, believe it or not. Anyway, this plant, it is a native of Western Ghats and quite a few other interesting parts of the Western Ghats. And it's a small ginger family plant. And grows in this hilly Western Ghats areas and all. Particularly this Ghat sections, you can find quite a few of them. And then in this kind of uncultivated areas and all, they are there, quite a few of them. And one has to search a bit carefully to find the plant because it's not that conspicuous. Here is one specimen that leaves, you can see it's the usual ginger shape. Then flowers. And I think what is there behind is the seed. And in a good location, it should come out quite showy and nice. And these mature, these flowers hang downwards like that. And apart from that, I don't know much about this plant. It's a new one for me also. So we'll have one last close look at the plant, and then I'll wind up this video because it's going to pour. I think one last look of a nice flower will be enough. That's the plant. And the flowers and the seeds, everything is there. So that's an interesting new plant of the day.